Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is July 14th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. And I'd like to say a few words for my French cousins. Joyeuse fête nationale à vous tous. So, basically, Tesla, was down today, down $15.20, 2.27% at 653.34. Post market, we seem to be down by 12 more cents. So let's look at what this damage is on the chart. So basically, we were stuck between 657 and 694. We also had a double support at 667 also. So we broke that 667 and now 657 also that we broke. We are still following this support line here. So we are still above that support line, and we are still above this other support line here. So I don't think we should panic. I think the stock is really taking a little bit of a setback. We might still be bouncing on this support here and doing something like this. So this is the preferred scenario. This is what we would like to see. Just a small pullback, a retest of this support line that was resistance in the past and now became support. Just a retest of this and maybe some sideways action a little bit before the stock would be resuming a little bit on the upside, waiting for the July 26th earnings call that I'm sure will have an effect on the stock. Let's look at the hour chart to see if we cannot understand something more. So, okay, where's the 930? So 930 was right here. So 930, we opened above 667. We went a little bit down and there was quite a lot of volatility, I would say. Look at this here. So it went up, it went down. So the same length of wick at the bottom and at the top. So basically the stock was pretty much going sideways. It didn't know what to do. And then the second hour was kind of positive. Was kind of positive in the sense that it's a green candle, but then we have a longer wick at the top. So the stock tried to really get up and was just smashed down, and that continued for the third hour. So during the third hour, this is where we broke down through 667 and just boom, 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 with pretty much straight down ever since. And this is interesting. I have the support line. Let me put it in the red color. So I had the support line, an intraday support line at 653. And because we used 653 in the past here, July 6th, around July 9th, and now we are back on it. So it just goes to show that the lines, there's no coincidence in the stock market. The stock is reacting to previous supports and resistance and everything. So if you draw them well once, then you will see that the stock is taking them into consideration. So basically, we closed the day intraday during the using the 1 hour chart. We are right smack on the 653 support. So going back to the daily chart, let's go back to the indicators. So yes, indicators, stochastic took a plunge at 56. Yesterday we were at 70. We were at 70, so of course we are taking a plunge. In terms of the MACD, yes, the MACD is going to be very up and down these days because because we are basically trading sideways with the stock. It's going up, it's going down, it's going up, and it's going down. So I expect to be changing my thumbs up and thumbs down a lot. So right now, we have a crossover negative of the DMI. So the blue line is at 10.04 and the orange line is at 11.14. So both of them are positive, but we have a crossover there. Yeah, I'm not giving too much of weight or importance to that because, as I mentioned, when a stock is going sideways like this, the moving averages will just cross each and every way, and MACD being constructed with moving averages is doing just the same. In terms of the DMI, is still in a positive mode with Tesla. So most likely, with what I see here, we can go back down. We can go back down to 640. This is entirely possible. I would I would like the stock to stay above this resistance here, this support here, and also this support here. So I would like the stock to remain above these two lines. Of course, this support here. Let me just do this here, this drawing. It just takes a second to kick in or two. So basically, we need to stay above this. If we stay above this, then it means that our bull trend that started around May 17th is intact. So we need to stay above this, preferably, and I think this will happen. We should stay above this. If we had to break this, it would mean that the stock would be going down like this tomorrow. It's possible, but we wish that we won't have to see that. So let's just see what happens for the rest of the week. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. I read all your comments and I pay special attention to the comments of the members of this YouTube channel. We have a Patreon account. We have a Discord server. I'm going to wish you a great evening and we are going to talk tomorrow and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.